So this question is using probability. This question is using standard form. So for the first one, we have 8,500 that we need to write into standard form. So this is going to be 8.5 because we know it needs to be a number between 1 and 10. So 8.5. And to get that number, I would be placing a decimal point there, okay, between the 8 and 5, which means that the decimal point that's currently at the end has moved 1, 2, 3 places. So therefore we have times 10 to the power of 3. And then the second one is 0.02. So when I look at what's between 1 and 10, it's just 2. The decimal place is currently here, and it needs to move 1 place further along. Sorry, the decimal place is currently here, and it needs to move 2 places to get to 2 at the end there. So that would be times 10 to the power of minus 2, and the minus shows that it was a smaller number. Then I need to find the value of those two things multiplied together. So if I'm multiplying them together, I've already got them in standard form there. That means I have 8.5 times 10 to the 3 times 2 times 10 to the minus 2. And I can do the numbers first, so I could just do the 8.5 times 2, and that gives me 17. And then I can do 10 to the 3 times 10 to the minus 2, and we know that if we're timesing, we add the indices together. So that's going to give me 3 minus 2, which is 1. So 17 times 10 to the 1. But that's not in standard form, because the number has to be between 0 and 10, or 1 and 10, so therefore it needs to be 1.7, which means that this is actually times by 10 to the 2 to adjust it, because I've moved the decimal place once more to make it into that standard form at the end.